Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how in GPT you can use it to help you with your language learning. So here we have a few sentences and I'm going to demonstrate how to do the first condition and second condition for these sentences. So I'm going to go on to GPT and here I'm going to actually access the phone version. And I'm going to type in write in the first condition for this sentence. Now, ChatGPT will not necessarily give you an exact answer all the time, but it will definitely help you get started on understanding what the first condition is or the second condition is, and it may actually also give you an example. So if it doesn't give you exactly what you want, it will give you an example. So here it gives me, if John drinks too much coffee, he will get sick. The example was, John drinks too much coffee, he will get sick. So we've written a more direct sentence. Now let's do a second condition sentence in English. You can also use ChatGPT just for general questions around language, just so you can have an example of what you're looking for or how to conjugate something. But this is really good because it gives you an example of how something would be written and also some additional examples. So my question was, write in the second condition of John drinks too much coffee, he will get sick. And it does say, assuming you meant to write the second version of the sentence with a different grammatical structure, here's an alternative way to write it. Getting sick is what will happen if John drinks too much coffee. And here I'm going to ask a general question of what are examples of first condition in an English sentence. The first condition in English is used to talk about real or possible situations. And it gives me a whole list of examples in the first condition. So this is just a very brief example of how you can use ChatGPT, specifically even the phone version, which does require a login to be able to save your questions in there, to be able to help you learn any language really, because it can help you provide you with answers to simple questions, but do be sure that you ask specific questions. And if you are using it for assignments, make sure that you're not plagiarizing, of course, and you're using your own words and also citing sources as needed. But at the end of the day, it's an amazing tool to help you get started, figure out a problem, and also get you to the point where you can understand a concept. So here's a whole list of second conditional statements in English. So definitely try it out if you're stuck with something, learning a language, and helps you get a great start. And I really appreciate you checking out the video, and check out the next one. Thanks.